Hello, it's Gordon here from TaroWorks, here to walk you through a very important new feature, the ability to assign records of almost any object to your mobile users. This means that when you build your jobs, you no longer need to start at the contact object. So if you were using a workaround using dummy contact records, well, you're now free. At the same time, your existing jobs are safe. They'll continue to work after the upgrade. You're required to have installed TaroWorks Salesforce package version 2.26.4 or above, which is compatible with the Android app version 1.8.0. Okay, let's see how this works. So here's the job screen for the Ococom users that we use in the Ococom demo videos. Now, if you're not familiar with Ococom, don't worry. Basically, a field officer will start any job by selecting a district. So let's say if I'm conducting a well site assessment, for example, and I start a job, I'll start the drill down by selecting a district I have been assigned. So for example, today I'm going to assess a well in Brasstown, and when I start my data collection job, you'll know that anything I do pertains to the region of Brasstown. So in this video, we already have 5 districts created: Amber City East, Amber City West, Brasstown, Carrotville, and Dust Hamlet. What we'll do is assign this to a new field officer named Brian with the 4 districts that he's responsible for. Let's go into the Mobile User tab. We'll find Brian's record. And we now see Brian's mobile user record right here with his username and password. Now, similar to before, how you might be assigning contacts, there's now a button here that says Assign Records to this mobile user. Press on it. First, select the objects you want to assign. Now, we're interested in the district, so I'm just going to type DIS. That brings me to the district. And then press the Assign Record button. If you leave the filter alone and press Display and Refresh Records, it will show you all records under that object that can be assigned to him. If you wish, you could actually select distinct fields and just say Brasstown. Press Refresh. It will then only select the record that matches your filter criteria. It is possible to add additional filter criteria, but right now the operators are limited to equal. We will be expanding that soon. So anyways, let's go back. We want to assign 4 districts, so everything except Dust Hamlet. So I'll uncheck that and I'll press Submit. What you'll see in this screen is that here are the 4 records that has been assigned, but you still need to press the Save button. Once that is done, you'll be brought to the screen and you'll see that under the Assign Record to this mobile user section, in this box here, there's now an extra row which tells you you have assigned 4 records of the district object to Brian Weiss. If at any time you want to add or remove records from this assignment for the district object, simply click Edit. Again, you'll be shown the ones that's available here. To remove it, click on the ones you wish to remove and then press Unassign. It will ask you if you're sure, confirm, press Save. And now you see that there are 2 records assigned from the district object. So when I start the job as Brian Weiss, I'll only have the 2 choices of Amber City East and Amber City West. If any time you want to assign other objects, simply press Assign Records and go through the same process again with any other object that's available to you. And if you want to remove any assigned records altogether for an object type, click on the Delete button on that row for the object. It will ask you to confirm. Clicking OK will remove the assignments completely. So 2 quick notes right here. Just like before, you can assign the same records to multiple mobile users. And all you need to do to assign is assign a top level object. So say if you have a district, then you have a particular household. You don't need to assign the household. All you need to do is assign the district, and then when you build your job, you will include both district and household in your job hierarchy. Let's take a quick look there. So again, for those of you using the old version, you'll notice now that in the hierarchy drill down, your top level object is no longer stuck at contact. You have the freedom to assign any object, including some of these which are for Salesforce only. So this list currently is a bit long. Okay, so I just want to note a few limitations about this. Again, currently the filter is limited to equal only, and you cannot assign case object, which is a specific object in Salesforce, because it is a restricted word. Also, we have some features which are pending. Mass assignment, which means that assigning the same record to multiple mobile users at the same time. Reassignment, which is reassigning records from one mobile user to another mobile user. An auto assignment, which means assigning the records the mobile user has just created back to themselves, is still pending. These are the features that we're eager to target in future releases. Final reminders: mobile users, of course, needs to sync before they can get their changes, and you only need to assign a top level object in the drill down. Thank you very much for watching this video on assigning records to mobile users. We hope you get as much use out of this feature as we have fun building it. If you have any other questions, please subscribe to our TaroWorks YouTube channel for videos on other topics, or visit our support website.